Hello, 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 my beautiful boss slaymates. It's me, Ikenisha, your favorite boutique consultant. And I just wanted to come to you for a quick second because I just noticed a new option in my settings in my Shopify. So if you go to your settings in Shopify, scroll down, you will see something new called brand. And it's basically like your brand kit. Like it has everything in here. You can add your default logo. You add a square logo. If you don't have one, you can create one with Shopify's website called Hatchful. You add in your colors. So my primary color, I'm going to do that real quick just so you all can see how it goes. Put in your hex code. And that is my primary color, my contrasting color, my secondary color. I don't know if I should put my black here or here. We'll leave that there and we'll add the black here. All right, and we'll see what that does. All right, so you have your colors you can add in here. Your cover image. So this is the key image that shows off your brand in profile pages and apps. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and add my cover image. I'm going to actually see these, measurements that they're giving you right here. You can use these. Okay. It just let me, okay, so I can search through my files I already have in here. Oh, okay. Okay, well, cool. So you can add in your images here. I think I'm going to put this just to see what it does. Okay, so yeah, it's not the right, the right measurements. But yeah, you can use these measurements to create new images in Canva. So the only thing you have to do is go in Canva, click on custom, and you can add in these measurements here. So I'm going to remove that. Add a slogan, brand statement, or tagline often used along with your logo. Let's put in anyone. Cool. And then you have a short description of your business and you can add your social links. This is great. I am so excited about this. So be sure to head to your settings in your Shopify so that way you all can add this to your website as well. If you don't know your hex code, which you should for your colors, you can find that in Canva. If anyone needs help with figuring that out, please let me know. I made a reel about it on Instagram a long time ago. But yeah, anywho, yeah, this is a short video. I just wanted you all to see that, and I will talk to you all next time.